So if you want to get closed captioning for your videos, I'm going to show you how to do it here. So I've just done a untitled recording. I can pick on this little pencil right here and add a title to this if I want to. But to get to the closed captioning, you'll go to the little CC down here, and that's going to open up this box. And you want to pick on this tab right here that says Request, and then choose Machine Caption, and then pick on the Request button. Okay, and that's what initiates that. Now I'm not going to actually make one of this, but what will happen is when you hit that request, a few minutes later you'll get an email saying that your closed caption has been created. Now I'm going to go and open up one of my Vidgrids that I already have a closed caption for and just show you what you do next. So I'm going to open this one right here. Okay, so the next step is you click on, once it's been closed captioned, and you click on the CC again, you're going to see your closed caption right here. If you want to make edits to it, you click on the pencil, and it's going to open up, and you have all this in like a notepad form, and you can work your way down through there. One of the things I've noticed is it generally doesn't capitalize things like Austin Community College or the names of softwares and stuff like that. So you might want to go through and fix that. And then you'll pick Save after you make those changes. And at that point, what you can do, you can pick again on CC, and you can pick on this download caption button right here, and you pick on the download, and when you do, it'll ask you, what do you want to do? You want to save it, and if you pick OK, it's going to just go into your downloads. Now, if you look at that, what it saves is a file that has an extension called VTT, and it has a weird name that it applies to that. So what I do is I go to my downloads and I rename this the VTT file so that it matches the name of my video. Then when you upload that, if you're going to put it in YouTube, you upload your video to YouTube, and when you're going through the setup of uploading it, one of the options it'll ask for is language, and you can pick English, United States, and right below that it'll ask you to, if you want to upload a caption file, and all you have to do is choose the VTT file that you downloaded from Vidgrid and just to upload it to YouTube, and then you will have a captioned video, and the caption's really pretty good and it's quick. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.